session, and I wonder if we could get a briefing on these bills, and if we could start.
Oh, if they're going to run through a briefing right now. Yeah, we need to do exactly what's exactly my question. Yeah, we could do.
Do you want to just do that one? Yeah. Okay. I wonder if we could go ahead and get a briefing on, let's see, 1060, Substitute House Bill 1060, and then we will go ahead and vote on that one.
Okay.
And then we'll break for then we'll get a briefing on the other bills, break for caucus, come back and vote on the other bills.
Substitute House 1060 relates to the administration of marijuana to students for medical purposes. There are no amendments.
All right. We have in the packet here.
I move that Senate Substitute House Bill 1060 be given a due pass recommendation and referred to the Rules Committee.
There has been a motion and a second. Is there any discussion?
I believe it should go to Ways and Means.
Oh, I apologize. Ways and Means Committee.
Right. Senator Rivers.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Because of the nature of the health benefit that that cannabis can provide for a spectrum of health concerns, and particularly because the type of medicine that is most helpful to children with seizures and other disorders is non-psychotropic. It's cannabidiol or CBD. I have absolutely no compunction about supporting this legislation. I think it is the humane thing to do. I think it's absolutely appropriate. I love that the parents remain in charge, that staff won't be responsible for this, and that we'll be able to offer to these 87 school-age children who rely on this medicine the opportunity to receive that medicine in a school setting will allow them to continue learning and stay in school, have the socialization, and be able to fully participate. Thank you.
Thank you. Senator Fain.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I just want to briefly acknowledge that we've got a really powerful individual in the room that's been a great advocate for this committee, and I know it's difficult to be here and to take the time, but that is a great show of the way that this democracy is supposed to work, and I just want to thank her and her daughter for being here, and I'm very pleased to be supporting this legislation.
All in favor indicate by saying aye. Aye. All opposed? Substitute House Bill 1060 has received a due pass recommendation and sent to the Ways and Means Committee subject to signatures.